Want to fix ChatGPT stuck on the welcome screen on mobile? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if ChatGPT is not loading or stuck on the welcome screen. Now, the first thing you want to do is force close the app. For that, you want to simply exit out of the ChatGPT app, then open the app switcher and simply swipe up the ChatGPT app. Once that is done, open ChatGPT app again and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to check is your internet. To check, you can toggle on the airplane mode. Now, wait for a couple of minutes. Then you again want to toggle it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and data to check. If internet is not the issue, then you want to open up any web browser, head over to status.openai.com and check if there is any outage with ChatGPT. If it says we are fully operational, then there is no issue with the server of ChatGPT. If there is any issue, then you want to wait until they resolve this issue. Next, you want to clear cache of ChatGPT. For that, launch Open Settings, tap on Apps. A list of all the applications on your device will be shown. Scroll down and find ChatGPT, then select that. Now find the option of storage, tap on that. Now tap on Clear Cache. If you're using ChatGPT on a web browser, clear cache of your browser. If nothing else works, you want to reinstall the app. For that, uninstall ChatGPT, then reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.